Hi guys, so I'm walking into work and I just picked these up and they're so pretty. I fell in love with it and I picked a piece of it and I'm gonna put it on my desk today. They say flowers match your mood. If you have a bunch of flowers on your desk when you're working or even at home, if they stay fresh all day, that means your mood was nice and happy. And if you're down and you're depressed, they die out fast. Who can attest to that? I got a few more. So pretty. Hi folks, welcome back to our channel. And guess what? I have to warn you that in this video you're gonna hear a lot of noise. I brought some stuff and brought it in for the kids and they broke loose. Nice galore. So it's a heads up. The video has a lot of noise, and I think on the second half of the video. Today, Saturday, and some snapper curry is in the making. So first, I'm going to fry the fish. Not for too long because it has to be curried. And then I'm going to make the sauce and drop the fish in when the sauce is finished, so that I don't break up the fish. Green seasoning. The fish was seasoned with my green seasoning, and by now you guys would know that my green seasoning comprised of garlic, onion, pepper, broad leaf thyme, fine leaf thyme, celery, marred man pork, and shadow benny. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. I dusted it with some flour, regular flour. There they are, frying. That's the first 2 pieces, and I think I have 4 more. Seasonings that are also included in here is some curry powder, some salt, and a little bit of masala. So these have already been fried, so the amount of frying needed, and I'm going to take them out and let them go. It's shaped like a chicken leg, eh? Snapper. Oh god, the smell. Eat them out right now when you're done here. So folks, this is what my Saturday is looking like, and I have to go and do some laundry just now. Lots and lots of laundry. Another 2 pieces in there, and I have 2 pieces more to fry. Plus I have to make time for Vanisha to play with her, cutting and eating her fruits.
I wash the fruit.
You wash the fruits? Okay, that's awesome.
You wash your hands, then you eat.
And there goes my last 2 pieces. Those are the ones that I finished. I smell it in my little water leak. Boy. So yeah, I'm not going to see much of my kitchen today because I don't have a camera person to assist me with the cooking. Plus my kitchen full of meche. So I got to pack up. You clean though, right? Yeah, don't worry about the cleanliness of it. I have my puppy food there. And that fridge there. Oh Lord. Tomorrow Sunday, garbage man coming. Got everything for dump out from there. Okay, curry time. So there I have my green seasoning, my chopped onion, my curry powder, my grind masala, and my jeera. Time to get mixing. There we go. Our curry powder. Hey fly, where you come from? Our curry powder. I don't like too much curry powder. It makes the food bitter. Masala. So I'm not going to make a black curry today. Oops. Okay, a little bit of jeera. I'm going to put some whole jeera in here. And a little bit of grind dye. I'm going to mix this up nice. See what happened to this fly, man? One single fly on give me heartache now. Headache. Alright, so we're gonna mix this up nice. So first I'm gonna add the onions to the oil and then throw in the green seasoning with the masala, curry powder, jeera mixture, and then I'm gonna make the sauce for the curry. When it's almost finished, I'm going to add the fish into it. There we go. Onion and the oil. Fry it up nicely. Let that flavor of the onion come out nicely. Is it catching properly? I can't see. Let me see. Now the onion fry nicely. I don't know if the camera is catching in my kahari. Okay, seems so. Right. Now to dash in my curry mixture. Để cho sao qua có cột ra trở cái vật nó còn far. I think this is a story for in this direction. I see a lot of people, I watch a lot of people cooking videos too, both local and foreign. I see a lot of people storing this way too. I don't know. I used to think they are left-handed, but they're not. Let that fry nicely. Uh-oh. Help me! Frying nicely there. Tayo, this is our tarakating the other day. How you like curry when it's black? You like curry when it's that one yellow color? Me never know that. But one time I cook curry and that yellow color, my mother tell me how me never cook. Anyway, I'm going to give you yellow curry today. And here we're going to say about the yellow curry. Let me just fry it nicely. I need to add some water to it. Look at my fish. Look at the fish, guys. My snapper. Daddy finger, where are you? I'm not putting any potato in here. No potato. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt in this thing. Let me add a little bit of salt to this here. I forgot to add in some of my spices, some cloves, and some cinnamon sticks. Coming along nicely. Smelling good so far. Abby, what you selling? When you fry and when I think it has been fried enough, bunchy enough, I have to add water, hot water, to get the sauce, enough sauce or sorwa to add the fish. Alright, we're shaping up. So that should be right, burning up, bunchy enough. I'm going to add the hot water now. I use like the same bowl that I had my seasoning in. Right now, Better Sarah is out at the construction site, buying materials and looking over the boys. I have to bring some more water and add it to this. Look like them real long water curry. I don't have any mango, but I did have some tamarinds, and I'm gonna add this to my curry. My mother does cook with tamarind in she curry. So this is our mixture, and I'm gonna put in the tamarind in here. It's boiling nicely. I don't know if y'all ever try it, but it just tastes really nice. Where you put a couple things when you catch a piece of this in your mouth while eating. Proper thing. Tastes more nice than mango. No, because you got enough sour when you treat though, you gotta bring some for me. When you act like it's sour, eat them out just like that raw. I used to do that in my young days, I can't complain. Alright, I know you guys have seen a lot of methods to cook fish curry. This is just another method. I don't know if you've ever seen this method before. It's the first time I am actually trying this method. So time to add the fish into this here. So let's go. Gotta get a clam. Have my fish here. I like it fish, so I left them in big pots. Where you take a piece, right? So there we have it. It's still, even though I fried the fish, I still wouldn't go and turn this up still. Right, you gotta be gentle with this snapper. It's big and chunky, so it's gonna might still break up. So I make sure the drum get good in the sorwa, the sauce. Let it boil for 3 minutes and then take this off. So the fish was fully cooked. Some people when they cook fish curry and they fry the fish beforehand, they half fry it. But I fully cooked the fish. Because you know, I thought I would have went knock out a 2 piece and start eat, but I didn't do that. If you notice, the sauce is not too thick, it's not too thin. But because this fish was fried from before, when this curry gets cold, the fish is gonna suck up this juice. So most likely we're gonna have add some hot water later on. Cause this is how just called saying not come have lunch. Me must cook 2 roti for eat this dinner. It's not lunchtime yet, but let me tell you, I'm going to start walk some lunch. I spread out my juice all around the plate. There we go. And no, me not overeat. This me I go eat and feed them kids too. Don't give you what?
Yeah, give me
Don't have any spice in here. Come, how you wait? How you just eat spicy ramens? Ah,
That's spice.
no, that's not spice. Come. Fish curry tastes nice. You want fish now? Have a cup of food. There. All right, look chicken there. Mommy got chicken. Come.
Where's my chicken?
Right there. And there you have the tamarind. Yo, that was a nice lunch we just had there. Anyways, it's not 12 o'clock as yet, and I just don't eat, so feeling lazy. I go wash clothes now, so I'm going to go watch a cool movie, Shatranj. I don't know, I've never seen it. It's with Mithun Chakrabarti, Jackie Shroff, and Divya Bharti. I saw an ad with it, and I'm gonna go watch it. All right. Hi folks, as you can see, it's a very bright, nice, sunny day. I'm walking going to Vreed Junction. It has a MoneyGram there. I have to go do a transaction, and looking quite nice on a nice Saturday. And then from then I'm going to walk and go down a little more Vreed Hoop, because I gotta buy some raw materials for Tarun uniform for the lady to sew it. So let's see what's going on at Vreed Hoop today. I hear the vendors that are selling on the pathways from the police station come back to Junction. Yesterday I think they were given 3 days. They were given 3 days to vacate the whole place. Green sand. They were given 3 days to vacate the place. So I wonder if they have started. I wonder how it's looking. I feel a little sorry for them, because a lot of people, they've been there quite a while now, making a living. So I don't know how they're gonna make out, and then Christmas is just around the corner. But there we have the chicken stand over there. Always business, always booming for them. And Vreed gas station. So we're at Vreed Junction. I see Dion told me they have a MoneyGram here. So let me go check, see which part it is exactly. I think it's here at the pharmacy. Alright, so I got through with my transaction there. Where did you get it from? Alright, Vreed is still in full swing. We still have people on the pave, so I guess they're not going to be moving, or they haven't started moving as yet, or I'm not sure what the plan is. I barely saw a thing on the news where some vendors, they were a couple vendors, they were complaining about it, and that's how I heard about that. We stand got a lot of freshies. I catch the yellow pepper there. The stand used to got pickle selling, I don't know. I see they got non-pickle out there today. From this party going on, look a bit empty. Christmas is coming up. You would expect to see a lot of Christmas. By this time of the year, you would start to see a lot of Christmas decorations, and so it's R&R Import. They have some lovely decorations and household stuff. Yeah, I don't know, Payless is Payless. I always get everything we gotta get. But right now I'm heading to the clothes stand. Miss Shoba seen that. I'm going by your mommy again.
No, open it. Bring it.
I'm going by your mommy again to get some rock cloth. Right over there, going. So I'm documenting as I'm going. Good day, good day. I wish you there, she there between the cloth to hide. Watch. She asleep? Watch good living. Watch your mommy get good living today. Saturday is supposed to be bright, but you know, come she gets slack off today. Huh? Today's your birthday? Huh? The show was seen it? Happy birthday to you. Show my hand that. What she got another name on the YouTube thing. I show her happy birthday to you. Raise your hand there, touch happy birthday quick. Don't message you already, you don't work. Alright. May you enjoy your birthday. Have a long life, happiness. Alright. I just finished at the clothes store, the cloth store. So I'm gonna head into Payless because I wanna buy a piece of table plastic to cover this table. How you doing? Time to make a spin in Payless and see what they have to offer for me right now. Look bags me got. I had to take a taxi and come home. Left day clean and come home night. The place dark. Dion called me about 10 times. I know what you do just now. He put a picnic never call me. Mommy, where you there? Mommy, where are you? Mommy, come home. I go hide all them bags from them outside of the house when I carry it in. Because I'm going to start hunt from the time it touch down. Alright. So, go with Ari. So here now, I got a little raise from one of our viewers. He said to take it and take the kids on a vacation, you know, a little outing. But we wouldn't get time to go on an outing. So I went for a hoop and I do a little shopping. Right? So I tell the kids, I come, I began a surprise for you. So you know, it's the season of giving has begun.
Christmas. Forget the color.
Normally,
It's my line. It's my turn. Abby. That's the line. Oh!
bag na bag.
Oh! What is the happiness? You got it.
Happiness starts at home, right? Happiness starts at home.
Wait, Abby, wait. Look at that.
So I go open the bag just so I can see what I is, right? Hold on.
Wow, baby.
One moment I put his face in front.
Oh my.
Alright, so let's see. There's a little surprise for everybody.
Oh my days.
That teddy bear for your grandma. That teddy bear for your grandma.
For real?
Look how he's cute. Oh my. I love him. So cute and fluffy. These are the moments. Alright, so me like see them expression and me like see they say. So now me allow them empty this bag. Come I empty the bag, let me see. Let me see what belongs to me here first before I overdo. Let me get some scented candles. Phyllis got it going on right now.
Silicone.
I get 4 small size plates for them. You take one, Ria get one, and one for me. Am I not got enough here for that? Open this. Yeah, give me this.
This is yours.
Yeah, give me that.
This is yours.
Yeah. Just you polish my nails for me. Give me this. Is it cute, huh? Puppies.
Cute thing and everything.
Yes, me know for shop. Me know for shop. Yeah, then get things for make bad. Yeah, Ari, one for you, one for Ari. Amaya, were you fighting with the girlie? Open this from Ari. Oh, careful that glass. Amaya, that got set up. Wait, my wait. Just let me go open it and set it up. Train, Bob the train. It's Bob the train. Choo choo. It's Bob the train. Choo choo.
Can I please have that one? I want someone.
I took almost the same thing, you know. Oh, really? Like purple.
Oh, yeah. Look, Abby.
Mama, just now we can set this up. Let's see what else we have there.
I don't even want like purple. This one.
That Ari one. Ari said she want cooking set.
Yeah.
How long you beg for cooking set?
I like it.
She tore back little picnic.
It's cream.
Yeah, cream, clothes. Okay, give me clothes,
Abby,
please.
look candle.
Give me the candle.
And
Oh, maybe I am blind from the window.
then
This is so pretty for 2,800.
I'm gonna open it
Is it
now.
2-piece?
Tumiyon.
Some bowl.
Tumiyon.
the bill.
Huh?
Tumiyon.
Just now, baby. Just now we can do yours.
Right.
They say for make popsicle. It's got the thing at the back.
Open it.
And this look up on my table and buy it up in table plastic. They come up
God,
9 something.
Oh God, God, please.
Done there?
Yeah.
Alright, good. And then we got with the table, we gotta go set it up.
Calendar. Ari, you said next part. You take me on that.
Hey, Ari, garbage, I took him in the bag.
Ari,
Put all the garbage in the bag.
let's go 3 take a roll. Forget the calendar.
Oh.
Put the bag in the bag.
I think I'll do this. It's good.
Mommy, did you put this? This table, this?
No, Mama.
No, the daddy.
Oh, yes, the table. This is a little table for them to do their homework.
Papa. Oh, mommy.
Yeah, Papa.
Cute.
Will you open your knife for me?
Mommy, it's for me.
What?
It's for me,
Very
Mama.
purple.
Mommy, it's for me. It's for me, Mama. It's for me.
One thing we can try is sticky stuff. You say we never get bored when we get home.
And then I got egg with.
We never came on the beach one. You ready, B?
Just now. Just now.
I want to know what you take me on. What you sing, Mar?
Just now, baby. Ah, you got one time. Do it.
Press it. Knock it, press.
Good. Come out some.
There we go. Where you flip?
Nice little table.
You know what I'm thinking of?
You know what I like for this table? Why you buy this table? I like to put them. You got nice little trolley for this stuff. Catch it a bit. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Good. And I don't got enough chair in this place. I just gotta go around. Oh, this is my thing. Oh my, we have set up this thing now. Oh wow. A little trolley.
Help me. Mine.
Oh, can I touch this?
Are you done broken already or what?
Hold on. I want some of this.
I'm not playing
See,
it.
let's see, this thing can go in.
Let me see. Move mine. Oh, she working on there.
I mean, I know what I do.
Nice baby, mommy.
I just fix up the box them and she get money with it. US, I think, and I fix up that.
You play game.
She done set up there. So all we gotta do is try getting this.
What's it?
Giovanni trying to recreate that on the box, which look very difficult to do. But she's trying her best, which she making progress.
Progress, I got
It looking good though. With these gotta go. One gotta go bottom, one gotta go top.
Wait, Abby, wait.
The
Wait,
basket.
Mama.
Money. Ah! Eternity later. We getting somewhere? Looks At least with stress. Well, what kind of trolley is this?
What headache trolley?
Me confused. How we got roll, man?
You roll us now.
How we build so? Oh, now I understand. It looks so complicated just now.
Give me one royal headache.
We got them in the corner. We got this one playing there. On there. Chicken sticker. This gonna be a little baby seat. Amaya, don't do that. Aggressive.
None, I got strength for not coming.
And you pop out back.
Hey, this is hard.
Very stubborn.
This thing is just like a Maya.
like owner like tea. Difficult. Amaya. Because difficult.
Mommy, will you listen to me?
Mommy, will you tell me?
Ma-
Will you tell me?
Mommy kinda difficult. How you feel about that? Huh?
Strap on.
Look like you done.
So we got two way for build this. You got
The long way.
that way
Baby.
and I got a long way.
Now. What are that for now? So we gotta put down the sticker then.
Yeah.
I don't shop a house. Let me just see computer.
Wowie. She sat in the shop up. We gotta get the fruits, Maya.
Who want to be the shopkeeper?
Me! With shopkeeper, like the cashier and stuff.
Put that in it.
They gotta
Put
sell.
that in it.
Yeah, I want to do that. Yeah.
Put that in it.
Coffee, y'all. Yeah.
Stand up, man.
Anybody want coffee? Come to Is there? Is that there? I'm afraid I got no patience. This type of actual patience.
Hi.
Last thing, man.
Can I have some of that?
Bye.
This takes you a good half an hour.
Oh, no, it's my...
Coffee going
We got
on
coffee. We
We got cookies.
We got
this
juice. Wow, and we're going money.
Cookies. Juice.
Juice. Candy. Candy juice.
Oh, it's a juice.
Oh, candy juice.
We got fruits for them, so.
Could walk. No, this is candy. This is juice. And I got it.
Come hold the money. Amaya, come take the money, come. Take $10. Ariane, you best know for count.
You gonna rob me?
Take another
What?
$10. Take $5. You hold the rest. Put this on your card. Oh, you gotta bring your card now. Come shopping.
This could be me register. This could be my register.
Let's
Come.
go buy food. Hello.
Hi.
Can I have some?
welcome to Ari supermarket. The aisles are.
You mean Ariguana?
The aisle. Wait, Miss Lady. Madam. The aisles are there. Pick out what you need.
Yeah, have money like buy toys.
Look. Hi, sir. Good
Give it.
evening. What do you want to buy?
Give him money, give him money.
Look, no.
Oh, Amaya give him money. Amaya give him money. She put your money in she little thing. Wait. Put your money. Put your there.
Okay. Here you go. Sir, here's your toys.
Yay!
Welcome. Go buy your stuff, you dear.
Come, Amaya, see one way you gotta pick out there. Carry your basket.
Foot now, tiny the table. See me gonna make my cupboard ready.
What way you buying there, girl?
Come on.
No, you gotta put it on. Alright, girl, you gotta empty out your basket.
Yeah. So
Pick up
continue.
a cookies. Yeah, pick up a cookies there from the shelf. Look here.
Mama,
Look
Abby,
at
no,
the chair.
No, there. Abby, no.
A box of cookies. Take a box of cookies.
Put here.
Metin ka good living. Amaya?
See, you can't drive from the cashier table, right? You can't drive me. You can't drive from the cashier table.
Amaya? Not spend all your money in one day, you know. Come on, come. Take a juice. Take
Sir?
one cookie.
Sorry, you're supposed to pay for your item and leave.
Papi, you're shoplifting.
Yeah. Sorry, you're supposed to pay
What
and
happened,
leave.
Tanisha? You can't socialize, Lil? What are you doing there?
Why you left me? See the payment coming.
Tanisha making...
My cash.
You gotta go buy it from Ariana.
Let me check this. How much?
You have to pay.
You got check.
You gotta pay.
Beep.
You know me want to go buy the cashier counter thing, but it's too small. You have to have a big one. Christmas time.
Sorry, this is how much? This could be $5. You ready?
You gotta put all on the table and then she go count it up.
$25, sir. Where's my money? You have to pay for this.
$25, you expensive, yeah?
$10 then. Your discount.
That big discount, that more than half the price discount. That discount is more than half the price.
I'm gonna pay today, everybody.
Avi, you didn't pay Ariana?
Hey, want my money? Sir,
Amaya, let me see where you got it.
shoplifting.
Come, Amaya, put everything on the table and let's just count
Here.
it up, see how much you
Here.
come up. Oh, empty your basket. Start calculate.
Candy.
Spring. Next, yeah. Spring. This one I go do little carpenter work now. Or mechanic work.
You can put it there.
Watch here, add anything for the girl bill.
You are on your bro.
Come on, total of this bill over here, how much it come up?
This is half, so I'm gonna charge you extra.
Half mushroom? Not than a half, than whole.
Bring.
It's the money.
Bring. Thank you for the $3 for paying. You finally pay your free cash.
Mommy,
Yeah?
open it.
Okay, let
Okay.
me count your money, okay? So this will be
Open it.
1 cent.
Open it.
Oh.
I got this.
Where's your money? What's the money there? Okay, let me see how much this go add up to. 5, 10, 15. This $15. 20, 25. Good. 25 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. $4.
Yes.
Cookies more cheap than vegetables? Wow, we got come shop at the supermarket.
Yes, this is the best. Auntie, come on.
Auntie? Come on, Auntie.
You only got $10.
Auntie Amaya, come Auntie. Come, you're cashing more than you got money.
Good, Auntie. This is your stuff. 1,
You gotta
2,
put back, she take too much thing.
Yeah. So this is a whole thing. This
Auntie not supposed to drink coffee. Put back the coffee.
Auntie,
Give she
you
one
look like
cookie.
you that day over 6 years old. Where you going with coffee? Me, you the coffee.
Now you give
a
me.
shop. Okay, good. We get directly. Thank you for shopping at Ariana's great supermarket. I guarantee you will come back for my discounts. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
You mean Ariana?
And now how much you
50.
make?
I
How much
make
for your profit for
10,
you?
20,
Can I be the
25,
shop girl?
30. Make $30.
You want to be the shop girl?
I
Okay.
made $30.
Come get
today.
what
Good.
you get staff. You get staff.
You got play. You got play now.
You're the manager now. You get cashier.
You got be the cashier. Come.
Are you setting up at the shop? What?
Wait.
What the money?
Amaya.
$5, $10.
Mom. Put inside, wait. Mom.
Yeah.
I see you rich. Good. Share. Okay, wait.
Me rich?
Yes.
Become a rich, me must share. You got earn your dollars, my child.
Mommy.
Me not give out free money. You got earn it.
Hello.
What if I too tall for the basket?
Hello.
Get everything here.
What's the supermarket name? Bonisha shop. Okay. So, I can go shop. Oh.
You follow her.
What the cookies that man up in the vegetable aisle? Okay.
You gotta go down there for this basket. You got it.
They look like a frog. Okay. So,
Shop.
so
Amaya, when people shopping in your store, you gotta watch man them.
so they don't teeth.
So they're not gonna push nothing in their pocket and so.
Hey!
Me not teeth nothing.
I'm just telling you, you gotta watch man them. You can't watch all over, you gotta watch.
Maybe yet. Okay. So, mommy sent me to the shop for make sure I buy egg. What else? I forget what she told me to buy. Look, guess I'm gonna.
Baygan, Dion say you want baygan choker.
Yes.
Dion tell me buy baygan na Vreed open. I mean buy no baygan because me want to go roast no baygan on me stove.
Me can't go to limit, so I gotta make sure I cook this thing.
$1 for the box cookie them. $2 for the vegetable.
Good. Shh, let me shop.
The cashier would have done them. I think she know for punk money, so you could.
Yeah, to get discount. Alright, I'm gonna pick up a box of cookies for me. And pick up a box juice for my friend over there.
You know you can stand up and bend over, right?
From
And collect your thing.
you remember back page of the page. Okay, let me see.
Watch. That one asleep. What story? People and she shop and she asleep.
Sinagado.
What story this? You got follow to the bottom of your pants.
Okay, I gotta bend before you follow. Okay. Oh my gosh!
You done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Auntie!
Loving bear.
Oh,
Ring the bell.
oh my god, hot bite.
Tiling, tiling.
Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Auntie, I want a spark juice for this miss right here.
The auntie in the business who ba ba?
Auntie, I want a spark cookies. I want two baigan.
Baygan.
And there's 2 eggs.
What's on hard? You knocked on the egg if you been broke now. Thank God he fake.
How much for out? Auntie?
$10.
Oh my god, 10 direct. Okay, Auntie.
You been asleep on the yard went to your shop. You best check see if she shop late. Watch something fall out. Watch. Watch something fall out ground. Watch Amaya. Shop lady. Shop lady, watch something fall out your pants.
Hey! You can put it in your pocket. Put it.
I still got one more. Oh, not come out.
She shoplifting. First day she got the lady supermarket.
Hey! Why?
Why?
Call the police. Call the police, Amaya.
No!
Call the police, auntie.
Please? Don't cry.
How you know my name, Auntie? I don't know you.
Ariana?
Come here. Where you coming and buy?
That.
Ariana?
Yeah, look, pay me thing. Look, pay me thing. You know I get basket. Yes, I get basket.
You go pick up a bag shoes. Go buy a bag shoes for your
The
mother.
police gonna lock me up. Look, your
Police come. Police. Police. Police, Avi. Ariana gotta go to jail. Handcuff her.
You can't even walk.
Handcuff her. Tell her she get. Tell her. Police, that you're under arrest.
You're IRS. For no stealing.
My term of life will be in the door.
Come Ria, come do your shopping quick. Let me end this day.
I'm in jail. My money. I'm in jail. We got $15.
Auntie, when people shopping in your store, you gotta watch man
I
them.
don't think police is supposed to harass people there.
Wait.
A police. Alright. Wood. This is a robbery! Put thy hand up in the air now! This is a robbery! Shopkeeper! Put your hands in the air! Police! Put your hand in the air! Give me everything you got to the register! Give me all your money! Who's all fighting? You gotta go again! Give me all the money! Give me everything you got! Who you fighting? I gotta go!
Hey, I ain't not gonna believe me, right? Whether me buy toys or not, this is what me there for afternoon time with them. They say, this house always full of knives. This house always full of knives. Especially when everyone come over and all of them there out here.
Give me all the money in the shop. Put your hands in the air. Don't draw none weapons. Give me all the money in the shop. You! Who's you? Police! Pew! You gotta drop that.
Somebody call the ambulance! Call the ambulance!
Ambulance! Come quick!
Here, all this knife. All this knife is out. Metin a custom to that. Metin a twisty ears. Metin a slip through all this knives by.
Coffee.
You're accustomed to this.
Lock me up around.
How was your shopping experience?
It was good. I become somehow. I walk for the cashier. I rob them for the money. I never get the money though. I get locked up. I have to come alive for bail now. I get more money. I get extra. I come back. I have to go hospital. I faint. I get shoot. And my little friend betray me. I gotta buy juice for you all.
Your little friends aren't police. You have to do your job.
I buy juice for you. You know I get a juice. So I get extra money.
Who money you got there?
I don't finish this boy. You class 45.
Okay.
I never
Dad, I'm gonna take a pinch up on your ears. You're like, no, left me alone.
Go back, stay. Alright, let's shopping.
You stand with me, you know.
There's some new
I'm
weapon.
ready for you.
Alright.
My bike close, put my clamp up on your ears.
You see, she does proper.
Watch, she sleep again, she sleep. When people dash the supermarket, she say, Amaya, you can't sleep, people shopping in your store.
We don't beat up with 4 bags of things.
No, but if you sleep, then go shoplift.
I got TV stuff. Tara. Why you proper the money, man? You buy the whole shop.
You can't call police, nobody no shoplift. But if you sleep, then go shoplift. If you sleep in the store, then go shoplift.
My new iron tools.
Hey, give me this thing.
No! Wait, I'm gone.
That one ruler.
It could be a gun.
Help us.
Somebody gone.
Now
buy this.
I'm gonna Hey, see.
I'm not do nothing yet. I'm gonna walk for the supermarket, my rob. Little friend like you forget about me. Ching. Okay, little friend now.
Come here. Oh, you got another.
If you're gone. My name is still the police gone.
This one life is short. This place is terribly hot. Right now he's sticky. When I don't play him, I got bed all of them and I catch a bed. Hey, me still got some clothes for go wash, oh lad.
So I'm rich.
You buy the whole shop, you got enough money?
That's what he said. You better make this shop.
Alright, this is a way to teach them to count out. So you gotta count the items.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 30,
Mm-hmm.
40,
Mm-hmm.
50,
My arms to hold my arms.
80.
I always left out 16 by end to now.
To change.
Amaya left out 16. You always left out 16.
Here you go.
I'm here far.
So how much that come up? 6,
Let me show you.
7, $18?
What you still got more on the ground? Keep the change. You still got more?
No! I want
We're gonna.
Oh no! I'm not able no more. Right? So the cart is the shopping cart and the stuff is your own.
For proof.
And the table is your own, right? But she said she don't want, she want the table.
Yeah.
So good, she gonna take the table. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Everybody happy?
Yes.
Yeah, dragon fruit.
Wow!
Happy?
Everything is.
You happy? Amaya, you happy? Avi,
Anybody want? I don't know a bit.
are you happy?
I don't know. My shop does sell dragon fruits.
Smile. What is smile with? Give me.
Smile.